Hey guys, welcome to hashtag straight poop. I'm flambeing, or I shouldn't say, I'm baking some bananas, okay? Because it has a lot of potassium and it's a nice option for dessert. So what I'm doing is, I've got some turbinado sugar and I'm crowning this thing. And you'll notice that I have the you know, what do you call them? Banana peels still intact, because that's going to go, I have parchment paper here, okay? Unbleached. And that's going to go on top of a baking sheet. And I'm going to bake these guys 375 for about 45 minutes. So I got turbinado sugar in here. I got cannabis oil. I got maple syrup. And I've got some banana flavored liqueur tincture. All my bottles are, like I've said a million times, cannabinized. So I'm just going to pour this . I don't care if it gets on the paper. Yeah. And basically, the peel is like a foil. Like I say, buy fish with skin, because it's a foil. This is going to be a foil too. Yeah. So I'm going to get that on, like I said, a baking dish. Just going to fold that over so my liquids don't go all over the place. And in the meantime, we put together some charts called Pro Tips. Why don't you take a look and join us. We'll get it out of the oven and we'll show you the finished product. Okay, hang loose, take a look at the chart. Larry's Pro Tip. Enjoy. Hey, welcome back, poopers. Look at our bananas. This one bent when it went. You know, but that's okay. Tastes the same. So I'm gonna top this. Oh, Peppy doesn't like the whipped cream. Peppy will be quiet. Thank you, Peppy. Because I have to go quiet, because Peppy's very temperamental. When she's not in these videos, she gets very perturbed. Anyway, I didn't make the whipped cream myself. Okay, but that is our dish. Roasted, caramelized bananas. It's good, great dessert, man. Got me through some nights when I needed some sweets and reversing diabetes and losing weight. This works, okay? So keep it in your arsenal. Free cookbook still offered. I put the links up 3 times. If they work, great. If not, my email address is on the description page. Just put in the subject, free e-cookbook. I'll get it to you like immediately. Okay? On that note, poopers, we're out of here. My dogs love having you here, but I guess Peppy has a problem with it. But that's okay. You're waiting on us, you're loafing. We'll see you next time. Hang loose!